How to fix YouTube recap not showing. In this video, I'm going to show you a couple different steps that can help you get your recap to show up within the YouTube app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So before we get started, it's important to note that they are slowly rolling out YouTube recap. So they're not just releasing it all at once. So you may just have to keep checking until you get it. But if you do want to try to see it, open up the YouTube app, select you, and then you should see your 2025 recap is here at the top. Now, if you don't see that, there's a couple steps you can take that will make it so that you have a better chance of seeing your YouTube recap. The first way to fix YouTube recap not showing in 2025 is to simply make sure you have the latest version of YouTube on your phone. So on an Android phone, open up the Google Play Store. On an iPhone, open up the App Store, and you just want to search YouTube, and where mine says open, if there's an update available, select update. You can also uninstall the YouTube app and then reinstall it, and that may work for you. But if after getting the latest version of YouTube, it's still not working, what I recommend doing is opening up a browser and navigating to youtube.com/recap, log into your account, and you should see looking for your 2025 recap, and you'll be able to view it there. For some people, this has triggered the YouTube recap to show up in the YouTube app, so I recommend giving that a try. Check the description of the link down there. So hopefully these steps helped you fix 2025 YouTube recap not showing. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.